Good morning, it's currently 5:15 on the 3rd of May and we're heading off to Walt Disney World. If you're new here, I'm Em and I make up one half of Find Me in Fantasyland along with my sister-in-law Kirsty. We're currently heading off for 2 weeks in Walt Disney World and I absolutely cannot wait. We're flying with Aer Lingus from Manchester at 11 AM, so we're just getting ready to leave the house and head off to Manchester Airport to meet up with Kirsty and Isabel and Paul, my father-in-law. I can't wait, I'm so excited. We've been counting down for this for ages and it's finally here, so yeah, let's go. So we have come to San Carlo in Manchester Airport for breakfast. I've got the pancake stack with Nutella, strawberries and banana, and this was £10. And then I've also got a latte. And then Andy's got a grande breakfast, which was £13.85 I think, and he went for scrambled egg, and then Paul got it with fried egg, and then Isabel got pancakes as well, and Kirsty got scrambled eggs on toast and a cappuccino. So we're just waiting to board the flight now. We're just in the seating area waiting. We had breakfast at San Carlo, which was really nice, very reasonable for an airport breakfast. It was really nice. So yeah, we're just waiting to get on. It seems quite quiet in the gate. It doesn't seem too busy, so I'm hoping it means it's not a busy flight and we'll be able to like move around, have a little bit more space. But yeah, we'll see you on the plane. About 10-15 minutes after the seatbelt sign went off, the cabin crew came round with the first drink service of the flight. Soft drinks are included in your fare price, but alcohol is an additional charge. You also get a complimentary bag of the baked pretzels. Shortly after our drink service, the cabin crew came round with our meal service. Isabel had a kids' meal. She had to pre-book this no later than 48 hours before. She had chicken in a tomato sauce with roast potatoes, a pesto pasta and a chocolate mousse with a slice of bread. She really enjoyed this and ate all of it. And we always say if Isabel eats it all, you know it's good. The adult meals were also really good. Kirsty, Paul and Andy had the chicken in a peppercorn sauce, which came with roasted carrots, roasted potatoes, pasta, a white chocolate mousse and a slice of bread. I had the vegetarian option. Mine was a vegetable chili. I didn't pre-book this, but going forward with Aer Lingus, I probably would request it before I flew just to ensure that I got it, as they did unfortunately run out on the way home and had to get me something else. Mine came with a pasta in a sweet chili sauce and a white chocolate and raspberry mousse. I didn't really rate the pasta, but I really enjoyed the white chocolate and raspberry mousse. It came with butter, a slice of soda bread, and then I also had Isabel's pesto pasta, which was really nice. The chili was a sweet potato, butternut squash, pepper, kidney bean and tomato chili with basmati rice. It was really nice, well seasoned, not too spicy. My only complaint was that I had too much rice and not enough chili, but overall it was a really nice meal and we all really enjoyed them. About 90 minutes before the end of the flight, the cabin crew came around again with the afternoon tea service. You got a choice of tea, coffee or orange juice and an afternoon snack. I went for the potato cheddar, spinach and chive pastry. This kind of reminded me a bit of a cheese and onion pasty. It was just okay. It wasn't the best thing I've ever eaten, but it certainly wasn't the worst thing I've ever eaten on a plane, and it definitely filled a hole until we got to the hotel. Isabel had a portion of chips with her kids' meal, and then her, Kirsty, Paul and Andy also got the chicken tikka pastry. They said it was nice, they said it was just okay, but like I said, it just kind of filled a hole until we landed. Orlando. The flight with Aer Lingus was really good, really rate them. I know they kind of get mixed reviews online, but we've done 3 Aer Lingus flights now and every single one that we've done has been amazing. The seats feel wider, I feel like you have more leg room. I think the lack of premium makes them feel bigger, but we had a really nice flight. It went really fast. There was some great entertainment on, the food was really good, really enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend them and I would definitely use them again. Bags took about half an hour. We landed at 2:45. The taxi to the terminal took 15 minutes and then it was only a short walk. I've heard people say that the walk is really long, but it was maybe 5 minutes if that. So bags took about half an hour and then immigration took 20 minutes, and we've just got the shuttle over to Terminal B to pick up the Sunshine Flyer. So to get the shuttle over to Terminal B you have to follow the signs for the parking garage and rental cars, and they've got basically just like one of those little trains that take between the terminals. So we have come over here, we're getting Sunshine Flyer and we're going to go to Riviera. Are you excited to be on Orlando?
Very.
We're just trying to figure out where to get the Sunshine Flyer from. You got the Disney shop and Galaxy's Edge, where we will be tomorrow from May the 4th, which I'm so excited for. And you got the Disney store and the fountain. And yeah, we're gonna head, I think we go this way to get to the Sunshine Flyer. We're just trying to figure it out. to our room at Riviera, we had a deluxe studio with a preferred view, which we booked through Disney Vacation Club. We loved this room. It was absolutely stunning. It felt so luxurious. It was such a good size. We loved the split bathroom. It was so handy with 5 of us in the room having 2 separate places to get ready, 2 showers, etc. It was just gorgeous. The room had a queen size bed, a pull down Murphy bed, and then a Murphy bed under the television as well. It was such a good size, we didn't feel cramped in, and it was just stunning. So bright, so airy, so spacious. We absolutely loved it. So this is the view that we've got. We're in room 8886. It is a preferred studio. It is so nice. We've got this really nice pool view, a view of the lake, Caribbean beach and the Skyliner, and then in the very distance we've got Tower of Terror and Expedition Everest. So we've just been to Target to get a few supplies for the room, things like coffee creamer, water, Powerade, a few little things like crisps and stuff like that. It was $20 in a Lyft XL to get here. We've come to the one on Rolling Oaks Boulevard, which is like the super Target and the one we usually come to, and a Lyft to get back is $19. So yeah, we're just waiting for the lift, and then we're gonna drop the stuff off, go to some dinner in Riviera because we're all super hungry, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom for the evening for extra magic hours. So we have come to Primo Piatto at Riviera tonight for dinner. I've gone for a kids meal. I got the pasta with sauce and a side of fries, and this also came with a drink. And then I also got a side of the Romano fries. These are so good. I got them in November. They're like French fries topped with cheese and herbs. They are delicious. Andy has got the burger. This is a bacon cheddar cheeseburger, and he got a side of the Romano fries. And then it's got the cheddar, the bacon, and a little gherkin on the top. And for all of these, it was $26. And then we also got our refillable mugs for the trip. I went for the purple, and Andy went for the platinum.
$21.99.
And these are the 100th design, and these were $21.99 plus tax. And then Isabel got the kids chicken nuggets, and Kirsty and Paul got the burgers as well. So we're in the Magic Kingdom. Are you excited, Isabel?
I'm very excited.
I'm excited. We're going to go on Thunder Mountain. We've just got here. A lot of people are leaving because Happily Ever After has just finished, so it's a little bit busy. But there's magic hours on tonight, 11 till 1, so we're going to try and do a little bit of that. They've got the 100 outside. Are you excited to go to Magic Kingdom?
Yes.
So after Space Mountain, we didn't really film anything else. All of the travelling kind of caught up with us, and To cut a long story short, we fell asleep on People Mover and decided that we should probably head back to the room. So the vlog ends here. Thank you so much to everybody that has watched our travel day. I have the rest of our trip upcoming and I really hope that you enjoyed this video.